I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan po natin yung mga nangyayari sa paligid, kung ano ang energies na napipick up natin, no? You may want to also subscribe to the channel. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, no? That is Babaylan TV. That's actually meant for international channel. Yun po kasi yung una, no? Doon ako nagbe-base before, no? Doon ako nag-start international, and then sabi ko, but why not gumawa ng another channel, which is this is the Timeless Tarot, no? That is catered to a Filipino audience naman, para hindi nagkakagulo, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may want to also think of it, no, kung magre-resonate ba sa inyo ang buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. I also want you to know that this reading is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo nakita itong video na ito, yun po yung time, no, na this video or the message is meant to find you. So let's start with the 9 of Coins. Uy. So, parang kulang pa, no? Kasi meron pa tayong mga ginagawa, tinatrabaho, no? It could be para dito sa relationship na to, para sa person mo, para sa'yo, no? Sabihin natin, yes, nakakangiti tayo, pero yung fulfillment ba, wala pa. And you're working on it. And I feel like medyo padating na yung harvest na yon. Nakikita natin yung part na masasabi mong, ay, nagbunga din, no? Nagbunga din itong aking tinatrabaho, pinapangarap. Naku, muntik-muntik ka ng sabihin natin, mawala ng pag-asa, muntik mo ng iwan, no? Muntikan mo ng kalimutan, hindi pagbigyan ng another chance itong si person, no? So parang ang nakikita natin medyo may mga situation dito na you almost gave up, no? Or you wanting to give up rather. The 10 of Swords. Dumating pa nga yata dun sa part na nagkaroon talaga kayo ng separation, no? Nitong ni person. Whether the separation is physical or energetic. So physical, the person might be in a different city, state, country, county, different continent, no? Energetic yung hindi kayo nag-uusap. So the 10 of Swords, I think that this happened for quite some time. So yun yata ang inyong pinaka matagal, no, na separation. Ayan. Tingnan pa natin with the 7 of Cups. I don't know kung sino itong nag-seek ng option. It could be your person, it could be you. So, along the line, no, ng inyong separation, I feel like merong pumasok na ibang energy. Pumasok, which means it could be nakipaglandian, it could also be a third-party situation, or it's just na naglibang, no? Naglibang. naglibang, humanap ng ibang taong paglilibangan. I want to clarify the Ten of Swords. Clarification is that the Strength card and the Knight of Swords. So, anong nangyari dito? Biglang hindi nag-usap. Parang bula, bigla lang talagang nawala yung person. Parang bula na parang itong situation na ito, walang usap-usap. It just ended, no? Walang formal. So probably someone here is bigla na lang talagang nawala. Sorry, may pumapasok sa isip kong another vision, pero mamaya ko nagagawin, no? Or actually, sabihin ko na. I know that this is out of topic kasi bigla lang talaga nakita ko yung vision, no? Sa mga taga-Japan, please be careful. I'm seeing a bit of a devastating situation. It's a natural event. Yeah, para doon po sa mga nasa Japan, no. Pilipino man o hindi, you have to take care. Yan. So, Nihongo wakaru sukoshi dake yo. Let's check. Let's go back to the reading. Pasensya na. Kailangan ko lang i-voice out. Baka mamaya makalimutan ko. I just need to say that. No, let's go back to the reading with the Seven of Cups. So, dumating yung part na nagkaroon ng separation. Pwede rin hindi talaga nag-usap kahit nakikita. Meron pa nga ako dito nakita for a little percentage na nanonood sa atin. May pagka pinakita pa, no, whether this is in person or ipinost, no, na meron siyang kasama. So mas lalong nakakainit ng ulo, nakakagigil. Seven of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Coins and the Ace of Swords. So, kung sino man yung nag-try, no, na tignan, humanap ng iba, i-replace, I feel like hindi nagwagi. Kasi, whoever did this, lagi niya kino-compare ikaw, no? Or yung etong recent ex, para hindi kasi niya nakukuha yung love, yung satisfaction. So, nakakita tayo ng reconciliation dito along the way with the star. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. Walang pumantay, no, doon sa pag-aalaga, sa love mo. So, kaya ito siya, bumabalik. Let's clarify that with the Magician. Well, at one point in time, hiningi mo rin naman, no, itong pakikipagbalikan. You're probably, manifesting this. You're probably wanting to really see the person, wanting to have a communication with the person. The Hermit. I feel like nagkaroon naman din ng maturity. Hindi lang sa kanya, no, may extra knowledge kang natutunan dito sa separation mo with your person. So, ang tagal din nating inantay. You know, sometimes minsan sa parehas, napaka-redundant. So, sometimes yung separation becomes a blessing, no? Kasi kung hindi yan nangyayari, hindi magkakaroon ng clarity, hindi magkakaroon ng, sabihin nating, linaw ng pag-iisip, ng realization, no? With the King of Coins. So, kung itong person mo ay dating madamot sa time, energy, effort, sa pagbibigay ng halaga, whether this is pagbibigay ng halaga ng time, energy, effort, or pagbibigay ng halaga which is regalo, I feel like ito yung time na gagawin niya na. So, there's actually a promise for themselves to do all this, no, for you. With the Six of Wands, I think meron itong bit-bit na magandang balita dahil nang hinayang ito with the Five of Cups na kung papakawalan pa kita, no, para kung sinayang. So it felt like nanalo ko sa loto, kasi the star in here. So parang walang pumantay sa mga ipinakita mo sa kanya. So kung pakakawalan ka pa, ang laking panghihinayang. And as you can see, aligned siya, no? So parang sinabi niya dito, wala nang ibang taong magmamahal sa akin ng ganito, wala nang ibang taong makakapagtiis sa ugali ko, at wala na rin akong makikitang tao na kasing ganda, no? Whether this is in physical form, aesthetic-wise, or yung loob, 'di ba? So ayan, napakaganda. Sincere naman itong pagbabalik ni person, no? Um, I think meron talagang mga natututunan tayo kapag umalis itong ating or kapag nawala yung isang tao or bagay, no, na hindi na natin na-experience. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing here Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Virgo. I'm seeing Capricorn. I'm seeing Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini. I'm seeing Leo is here, no? Cancer. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want